Hi everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to teach you how to use a gift role permission, how to create one. Then after that you can give to anyone who join you. Alright, so first thing first, you come here is the role, add role. Alright, so maybe you can say share material. So that you can use this to apply. This share is for material and cabinets. Right, so you can use this role, and after that you can apply to your cabinets. Okay, you press tick here. Right, material use. Okay, so there is other rules for this. So this is just circle library, so you can just generate. Okay, material use, data permission, take this and take this. So what this does is, so for here you can apply on vision or specific category. So why not you can just select this full modules for every role, so that your material can apply on every cabinet. If you without this, then maybe you cannot apply on the cabinets, right? So you have to allow this and this. Once you press OK, you have your own category name here like this. Okay, so thanks for watching. Bye.